Good morning, guys. I wanted to thank you all for my sweet birthday wishes and birthday cookies and happy birthday videos. I thank you so much. I love you guys and I miss you all. So today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. And today we are going to be this week, we are actually going to be talking about butterflies. Butterfly. What does butterfly start with? Butterfly. So we are talking about butterflies this week. Also, we'll come back to this a little bit. How about that? So today I'm reading a different kind of book. It's more of an informative book versus a story. It's on monarch butterflies. Actually, let me turn this way. Which I didn't draw one monarch. I didn't have any orange. So, let's see. Monarch butterflies. They're so beautiful. Okay, monarch butterflies are easy to spot. They are large butterflies. They have black heads and bodies with white spots. Their wings are orange and they're thick black veins. The edges are black and have bright white dots on them. Monarchs are very common in the United States. They live in most parts of the country. Monarchs go through a series of changes to grow to be adult butterflies. This process is called metamorphosis. That's a long word, guys. Metamorphosis. A monarch butterfly starts as a tiny egg. Here's our little egg right here. And a female butterfly lays the egg on the underside of the milkweed leaf. So milkweed, we had one that was a little different than this, but we planted one out on the playground and it was more yellow. And so we planted that so our butterflies would come visit us, remember? And a female butterfly lays the egg on the underleaf of a milkweed leaf. And the eggs are usually safe there because they are so small. And milkweed leaves are a caterpillar's food. Okay, so that is the egg right there. A very tiny caterpillar hatches from the egg after a few days. At first, it is so small it can barely be seen. The caterpillar is called a larva. It eats the milkweed leaf it was born on first, and then it moves on to eat other leaves. So look, so it goes from egg, the butterfly lays the egg, and then it turns into this, and then it's a full caterpillar. Soon the caterpillar grows too big for its skin. The old skin splits and falls off, and that's the part right there that they're talking about. That's the skin, and it falls off. This is called molting. It happens 4 or 5 times in 2 weeks. The new layer of skin underneath is baggy, and the caterpillar is ready for its next change when it gets to be 2 inches long. So once it's 2 inches long, it goes through another change. The caterpillar hangs upside down on a twig or leaf, and it curls up so that it looks like the letter J. A shell grows around the caterpillar. It is light green and has yellow dots on it. This hard shell is called a chrysalis or a pupa. The chrysalis becomes almost clear over the next 15 days. An amazing change is happening inside, and a butterfly is forming. All right. Oh, look at here. Look at these stages. The chrysalis splits apart slowly, and the butterfly slips out and hangs on the shell. Then it opens its wings. Its wings dry and get stiff in a few hours. Different kinds of butterflies are different sizes and colors, but they all go through the metamorphosis, and they all have the same body parts. Okay, so these are the parts of the butterfly. All right, let's see. Butterflies have 6 legs. Wow. They have taste sensors on their feet. A curly tube called a proboscis leads the butterfly's mouth. It is used to suck nectar from the flowers. Okay, so that is how they're pollinators right there. They suck the nectar, and then let's see, and then a butterfly thorax is the part that makes its wings and legs move. So this part right here, the thorax, it helps the wings and the legs move. Butterfly wings are covered in tiny scales. Look at those. Here's an up close picture. They're little scales. The abdomen holds the heart, breathing pores, and most of the digestive system. Okay. Oh, and this is another one. Monarch butterflies have long antennae or feelers. They are used to smell and touch. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. They are used to smell. All right, so those are their antennae. Okay, all butterflies eat nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid found in flowers. Monarch butterflies are attracted to flowers that are purple or yellow. They only eat during the day. Butterflies drink fresh water from puddles or streams. And this right here, this is called a butterfly bush. And I have a huge one, and in the summer it's covered in butterflies. They're beautiful. Let's see. Some monarch butterflies hatch in the spring or early summer. They live for only 4 to 5 weeks. Other butterflies hatch at the end of the summer, and they can live as long as 9 months. These late summer butterflies are called migrant butterflies. To migrate means to travel. These monarchs begin a long journey when the days start to get cool. Butterflies cannot move when they get cold. Millions of monarch butterflies fly south in autumn to find warmer weather. Monarch butterflies are very good gliders. Their wings are 4 inches wide, and large wings help the butterflies float on currents of air. They stop to rest and eat, and they do not fly at night. Yet they can travel up to 100 miles a day. Guys, that's a long time. And I do know, let's see right here, most monarchs fly to Mexico. Some fly to Southern California or Florida. And the butterflies gather on trees in these warm spots. There can be millions of butterflies on one tree. This is called roosting. They open their wings to catch sunlight and get warm. It can look like the trees are quivering. What in the world? Can you imagine if you walked upon a tree like that in the forest covered in butterflies? That's pretty beautiful. Let's see. Okay, monarch butterflies migrate to the same place their ancestors did. How do they know where to go? This is a mystery that scientists are working to solve. Scientists track monarch butterfly migration, and they capture monarchs and put very small tags on their wings. They can release the butterflies. People keep track of the tag numbers on butterflies they see, and that way scientists can make a map of where a butterfly has been. Well, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? Look at that little bitty tag on that butterfly. And you would have to be so gentle because their wings are so delicate. So let's see. Monarch butterflies begin their journey home when spring comes. They fly north to milkweed plants to lay eggs, and they have completed their amazing journey. We still have many questions about monarch butterflies, and scientists continue to study them. They help make sure that the places where monarch butterflies roost are being protected. People also make sure that milkweed fields are not cut down or poisoned with weed killer sprays. Yeah, you need those to be good so they can, because again, we don't like chemicals, and so they don't like chemicals either. Someday we may know how monarchs migrate across so many miles to the same places every year. For now, we can enjoy watching these beautiful butterflies all around us. All right, so today I'm going to attach a sheet for you guys to work on, and it is their life cycle. And if you remember, we started at an egg. They lay the egg on the milkweed, and then they become a caterpillar, and then they start their chrysalis, and then they become a butterfly. So I want you guys to cut it out, and then you can paste it into your journal in the right order, okay? So I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna attach that for you guys to work on today. And then we have some very exciting butterfly stuff coming up this week. So stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. Also, I want you in your Handwriting Without Tears book, I want you guys to work on page 36, and that is just really working on your letter formation for the entire alphabet. You guys can work on, maybe do a line like every day, And I'm talking slow and steady. This is not a race. This is like, you don't have to be fast. Be slow and steady to make sure you're really forming those letters super well. And also, in case you have not completed number 10, in the back, I thought we had already completed that, but maybe this friend was out that day. So that's page 92. So if you have not completed it, complete it. And 10 is just a 1, which is a line down, big line down, and then a 0, which is the same as an O. So you can work on that, and then that will be it for today, guys. But I hope you have fun learning about the butterfly, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I wish you well. I wish you well all through the day today. I wish you well. Bye, guys. Love you.